everybody. So today I'm going to talk to you about siding on your house. Now, siding is one of those maintenance items that supports the price of your house but doesn't necessarily add to the price of your house. So if you're asking for $200,000 for your house that you've totally upgraded but you have terrible siding on the side, a buyer is going to ask you to fix that siding, or they're going to ask for a discount because they're going to have to fix it. Siding is something that's really important to maintain, and if it is rotting, that means moisture, mold, all kinds of terrible things can happen inside the walls behind that siding, so you really want to make sure that you have good, solid siding. So if you've got a house that's got that wood siding, but it's intact and it's fine and there's no rotting or molding or any of those things on it, you are good to go. Paint protects it, and so you don't have those kinds of issues. And you shouldn't expect anybody to give you any grief on the condition of your siding. However, if you have siding that is rotting, falling off, anything like that where it really is clear that it needs to be replaced, it is worth doing. Siding not only is good to protect your house, but it also adds to curb appeal. And it's really important that when new buyers are coming up to your house, they see the outside and they are wowed. There is a reason that there are shows on HGTV all about landscaping and curb appeal. It's a really important thing to do. If you're going to change your siding, change it to hardy. It is totally worth it. It is durable and you won't ever have to do it again. It contributes to your house's value. So you really want to make sure that your house is supported by that $200,000 number, and siding is one of those things that will do that. So again, it doesn't add value, but it does make your house stand out against others. So if your house has that durable, hardy siding that's freshly painted, and the house down the street either has the old dingy siding that's molding or rotting rather, or they just have dated siding that maybe just doesn't look as fresh and as nice, your house is definitely going to stand out. So it's worth considering. I have tagged some really amazing people that can help you with that and talk to you about your siding. So please feel free to reach out to them, leave comments and questions, and I'm excited to engage with each of you. Have a great day.